I double pumped him.
I've been so alone ever since I left the tribe. That's just how it goes, 'cause I like to.
I'm dropping retail.
Go here.
Yeah, retail. We are from Infinite Warfare. We're the Infinite Warfare squad.
Go salty.
No, I'm going retail.
Okay.
We are the Infinite Warfare squad. We never lose.
Yes.
Bro, I got that. I got the OG Twitch Prime glider, bro. What are you talking about? I'm not a noob.
I got broken.
I got a royal knight. I'm gonna go to like sacred. I'll be back.
No, don't go sacred. Don't go sacred. Andrew, we need help over here. You don't go sacred.
I'm already at fucking sacred house.
Me too.
Damn
Don't come to
it!
the other house. Don't come to this house.
I got a gun.
Dude, this
I just gotta get a gun.
looks so bad.
I already got a kill.
My pickaxe though. Dude, my pick looks nice.
The sawtooth.
Yeah.
No, you have to get yourself off. Bro, what is it called? Brazilian Jiu. Yes! I got heavy shotgun. Let's go.
So guys chasing me. So guys chasing me to help. He's a what's it called?
Guys, I need to meet up with you. I already got a kill.
My Infinite Warfare help. My Infinite Warfare is gonna be super
Help
effective.
me! Help me! This guy's weak. He's drinking mini.
Nolan, I'm coming. Come. Where are
Need
you?
help.
What
Over here,
lettuce?
Josh. At this broken down house.
Alright, I'm over
Screw
here.
this.
Where is he?
I'm opening this Lambo.
He's inside broken. I'm coming.
Where
Where are you at, bro? Where are you
I
at?
only have my pistol. He's in here. I hit him twice with the pistol. He has one of those ski suits on.
Watch out.
Did you just put C4 down?
Okay. No, I got, what is it called? I got 2 minis for you. I'm coming.
He's in the bottom. I see him. I hear him.
I got you.
Attention. Let's go.
Grab his stuff.
There's a big
Let's
shield.
go.
I mean, never mind. It's a crossbow.
Big check shield.
Is there any,
I'm actually gonna take it. I need a range
Is there any
weapon.
meds?
Oh yeah, I got stuff for you
Wait,
actually.
Here.
There you go. 10 hole.
Oh,
I got you stuff. Nolan.
Dude,
Let me see.
Guys, you wanna know what I found in this house? Dude, this house is amazing.
Faggot.
I found 3
I killed
large
somebody.
shield potions.
Oh wait. One
Oh
of
my
us
God,
is down.
Ben.
I knocked 2. There's still a
There's a dude in this house. Dude in this house. I hear him.
I'm on auto.
Can you guys hear me?
I got this dude.
Oh yeah, JustJosh.
Wait, can you guys even hear me?
Yeah.
I see one
I can hear you.
from the barn. Two. I know Matt.
Oh, he had a hand cannon. I want this.
I shot him. Oh, God's plan's on too.
Oh, it's the basic skin that I killed before. Oh! Shotgun open. Go.
Oh! I want it.
Yes!
No,
Who took
I
it
need
from
to
me?
double it.
Who took it from me?
I'm taking that,
Shotgun,
boy.
guys.
I'll give
Somebody
you.
took it from me.
I didn't take
If you go
anything.
down, I will not revive.
There's-
Trust me, I will not revive.
There's 2. What is it called?
Wow.
Wow, what a great
Gosh.
teammate.
That was mine.
Shield.
Fine,
No!
take it.
I'll carry them.
Give me back my
Dude,
give me back my
Andrew, look what I
pump.
have.
I need shotgun shells. Someone help me out. I need shotty shells.
Yeah, I
Okay,
know.
ready? I'm gonna double ready.
Yo, does anyone have any heavy bullets or shotgun
Did
shells?
they patch it?
They
No.
probably did.
I need shotgun shells or heavy. I need shotgun shells and heavy
Oh,
ammo.
gosh, here. I
Thank you, bud.
I think there's a guy in that house.
Thank you, buddy.
With like 70 shots in here.
Yeah, come. Anyone have any heavy bullets after either? Ooh, someone just got shot.
In the stores, I need help.
Dude, he's down. I need help. There's 2 guys over here.
Heavy shotgun OP.
Oh, that clutch!
Oh.
Get him up.
I know, I'm getting you up. I got this dude. 1 sec.
Wait, no,
I'm
yeah,
just gonna go get
give me
this
the
repair.
medkit, you drink the slurp.
Yeah, I got you medkit.
There's some bandages. There's a lot of bandages there.
Let's
I
go!
have a large and 3 minis.
Bro, I got that hand cannon headshot 181.
Yo, the heavy shotgun is so overpowered.
Bro,
heavy shotgun.
I got that hand cannon shot, boy. Oh, wait, let me get you the med kit. Here, here's the med.
Yo, the heavy
The med's up
shotgun
there.
is so
The med's up there.
overpowered.
I want to use it. I used it like once.
The med's up there.
No one here. I'll give you mine. I'll give you one of mine.
Oh, you will?
Yo, I need heavy ammo.
here.
I need heavy ammo. I need
Oh,
heavy
here.
ammo.
Here, I have 72.
Thank you, buddy. Oh, I'm so good with the hand cannon. Alright,
Dude, I'm so nasty with this thing.
bro, the next...
Yes! A pump! This cannot get any worse! This is like the best start.
Bro,
Yeah.
A gold heavy shotgun, a pump, a blue AR, one mini shield, and
Everyone
one
got
mini.
a shotgun.
Wait,
shells.
Ben, do you have any big
yo, I
shields?
need the new shoddy. I need the new shoddy next time we get it. Next time we get one, I need it.
Everyone got shotgun shells.
Wait, Ben, did you leave the big shield in sacred?
And your mic is way too
No,
close to your mouth.
no, I took it. But I used it.
I'm just talking really loud, I'm hype.
Yeah, no, I'm
Yeah.
pretty up too.
thought
I'm carrying you guys. I got 3 kills. I saved Nolan.
Yeah, dude. I know. I hit him for 87.
Yeah, you hit him, and then I headshotted him.
Kills. What about you guys?
I have
He had no
3.
gun. He had no shield or anything. I hit him for 87. So. Oh shit, there's more.
More people, more people.
Wait, where?
Paul, wait for us.
No, I just found the
rush
most
it.
overpowered strategy ever.
Where are you,
Oh,
Nolan?
wait,
Where are they? Where are they?
Never mind. I already shot.
Pump heavy pump.
Oh my god.
That's what Daquan does.
Yeah, Daquan does that.
Daquan.
He's a streamer.
Daquan
TSM
does
Daquan, bro.
I don't know who the fuck that is. He sounds like Asian man in 420.
that. Does he really? What else
Is
does
he
he
Asian?
sound? Daquan.
Is he Puerto Rican? Or
Everyone got light ammo. I have 30. I only have 1 clip. I mean, not light ammo.
Yo, I got-
medium.
Gucci gang.
No, I don't have much.
Gucci gang.
I only got
Spent
it.
king.
And
Rex
I was
on it.
playing Fortnite. Ooh. I'm about to have a boogie bomb in my hand. Boogie bomb, boogie bomb, boogie bomb,
Oh my
boogie
God.
bomb, boogie bomb, boogie bomb, boogie bomb, boogie bomb, boogie bomb.
This people southeast 150 gas station.
Fortnite.
Do you want to go for him?
Guys,
Yeah.
Okay, Jack.
Let's go
This
salty.
is my chest in here, okay? Ben, don't you dare.
Josh, someone come with me. I'm going to push selfie.
Thank you. You
I'm sorry, I'm coming here.
respect. I'm like Cam Carrera.
Camp Brewer's a loot hog.
Okay, I have a ton of resources, guys, because I got a llama, and I have a ton of AR ammo. I have 400.
Oh, I need AR ammo. I only have 30.
Where are you?
Down here.
Come up here. Come on. I'm not.
I don't
I'm
have
not
enough
coming
material
down
to get
there.
there.
Does anyone need
Come on.
minis? No, that's alright.
I call this chest.
My game's really laggy. So
In the
I
green
want-
pump.
This house. I got the
Andrew,
I call house.
Andrew,
No, I already
there's
called
someone
stuff.
It says I hit them, and 2 minutes later, it'll show me the damage.
I call this chest.
My game is really lagging right now.
You in the C4.
Circle.
C4. Yeah, no, it's in the circle.
Yeah, get back to the
I don't
circle.
want
Get
it.
back to the
I don't
circle.
want
Andrew, can you drop me
it.
some AR?
Do you need bandages?
Yeah, here.
Nah, I'm good, bro.
Alright.
I
Let's
got-
go into the circle more.
Hey, do-
Yeah, we gotta. Oh,
do-
circle's coming. Circle's coming. Let's go.
I have
Oh, no,
6.
I gave like half mine away to Josh.
Josh, how many shotgun shells do you have?
33.
Can you drop me like a couple?
Yeah, I'll drop half. I'll drop half.
Drop him at least 5
Yeah, I'll
for
give you.
a
I'll
mag.
give you.
I don't need anything. I'm good.
Yo, Josh.
I mean, I could use the new shoddy, but wait till we get another one. Alright, let's push.
Wait
Let's
until
push the
you get my
factory.
other one. I'm gonna be
I
double
haven't tried
excited.
the new shotgun. Like,
Oh my god, I just
I'm
took
gonna
fall
give
damage.
my
Come retarded.
suppressed
Ready, you guys? Watch this.
gun or heavy gun.
I already looted inside there.
I know,
There's
bro.
nothing in there.
Allah Akbar!
Dude, I was there!
It doesn't do any damage to you.
Yeah, I know.
I know, it scared the crap out of me though.
Oh yeah, here's where I got the llama.
I
My
win this
God.
game, dude. It's rigged because I cannot see a thing. It's so laggy.
It's so funny how we're all
Like,
space.
like,
We all like to
who's
be
the
on
leader?
auto.
We're all the OG tier 1
Who's
spaceman.
the leader?
And
Oh,
probably
Ben. It's probably because Ben's on Brazilian servers, or it's just because Ben's a lifetime. Because
No.
I'm usually not lagging this bad. Like, I
Yeah,
hit
I'm
somebody,
lagging
and then
pretty
it says
bad.
I hit somebody, right? It says I hit them, and 2 minutes later, it'll say the damage on you.
I know it's not me because I'm not even lagging.
I'm barely
Yeah, that's
lagging.
probably why. It's because you're host.
Me and Andrew live right next to each other anyway.
I'm playing on PC.
So you don't got lag.
Yeah, I know.
Oh shoot, who's already at factories?
Yeah, no, we're going to factory. Is there people there?
Because people are gonna be coming in from zone.
Yeah. Alright, 33 left. I got 3 kills. You both have 2, and Ben has a zilch.
Well, technically I have 3 because I killed the guy at the beginning and I did.
Yeah, you got down.
I get
Kitty.
That's salty.
So I mean, take it how you want it. I technically
God,
could have
Jack.
got
Oh, there's a supply drop in the tree.
Supply
That's
drop.
that RPG. Oh no, people are going for it.
Oh shit,
Jack
people
keeps
go for it.
inviting
Yeah,
me.
wait. Kill the people that are
Oh
going
my
for it.
god!
Dude, where they
Josh, try
at?
second one.
I got you.
Where?
Kobe! Kobe!
Everybody on top of this house. On top of this house.
Alright, come.
I checked Kobe needs. Josh, get that crossbow clutch. Uh-oh.
Come on, I got it. Let's go like this.
Who's just about in front of me?
Some people are up there. I'm standing over here.
Someone open it. Oh, he fell.
Rip!
Rip that, dude.
There's more. There's still more teams. There's still more teams.
Watch out, guy.
I
One
took a
guy
guy for
on
a bridge. I took a guy for all of his shield.
5 gram. One guy on bridge. Watch out, he's right there. Go it.
Got him.
Hey,
Nice, whoever shot him, man.
I'm going in. I'm going in.
Cliff house.
I'm going in. A little bit closer.
Nice shot.
Nice.
Alright.
I told you, cliff house.
No.
Oh, I'm getting shot
I
at.
got
Oh,
my-
in the cliff. In the cliff.
Yeah, in the cliff.
I thought you said in the clip. I'm like,
Rush them.
what?
Rush them. Rush them. Rush them. Rush them.
Oh god, I'm getting shot at. I'm getting shot at. From cliff. I'm so low. I'm low. I need help.
There's guys in the cliff.
Yo, I got the new
In
shotty.
front of the cliff.
I got the new shotty.
Alright,
No
yeah,
one,
man.
watch out. Watch out.
I got a legendary new shotty.
Watch out, there's a guy building to our left.
Oh, I see there's a guy in the street. Watch out.
I need help. I need healing.
I'm retreating.
So, hey, shoot the street out. There's a guy in that house. I shot him.
Watch out, there's a guy over here too.
Yes, a chug jug.
Yeah, I need healing. I need something.
I need healing. Dude, there's a guy in that house.
Any more dudes
If he
left?
comes upstairs, I'm gonna pump him.
Yeah, there is a guy in that house.
I got the new shotty.
Hey,
Yeah,
there's
no,
a
he
kid down
just
here.
shot me.
There's a kid down here.
I have 4 kills.
I got a campfire. Someone get in the
Oh,
campfire.
we're out of the border a little bit.
I'm not.
Guys, come over here to campfire.
Okay, I'm coming.
I'm getting shot at from somewhere.
Guys, I need help. In the zone.
Oh!
Hey, get back. I just chucked over here.
Where is he? Where is he?
Get in the zone.
I have 3
I killed him.
minutes.
I killed him.
Okay, yeah, okay.
Jack's calling me.
Get me first, Angie.
Yeah, I need healing.
Yeah, just I got a campfire.
Yeah, that's a jug
All right.
here.
And I have 3 medkits. But hey, this bandages over here. Use the bandages first, right? And then I use the
Yeah.
campfire for you.
All right.
So,
I need
who's getting the
bandage.
chug jug?
I'll take
It's mine.
band-aids.
It's mine.
You got a fucking RPG?
I opened
Oh,
the
can I have
jug.
that crossbow, Josh?
Actually, no, that's mine, buddy.
Ah.
I don't have an AR.
Actually,
Josh,
no.
don't medkit. Use the bandages.
Keep it. Crossbows are gay.
No,
No,
don't med. Don't move.
I'm
Don't
medding.
Don't med.
I'm medding.
No, because I have a campfire. We
I don't
can just
care.
use the bandages so I can
Yeah, use the campfire.
Do you want me to hold meds? Yeah, Ben, you take that. Hold meds.
Ben.
keep drinking things. Keep drinking bandages.
How long does it take to place the
Keep using
campfire?
bandages.
Here,
I got it. Yeah, because it's not gonna get to full if you don't use them right now.
Thank God for mom and dad and sticking to together, 'cause don't know how.
I'm going in for this loot so I can go back into the campfire with you guys.
All right. Campfire's gonna be done in a second, so you're gonna go.
Ton of damage.
I need mats. I need mats.
I got
There's
you,
a bunch of
Josh, I
loot
got
over
you.
here. Thank you,
I
buddy.
have so much resources. I have 99. Ooh, this guy's here. Wait, was that a guy?
I don't.
No,
Really?
that was a
Another
dude.
guy? Another free kill?
Oh, 2 blue ARs, bro. Let's go.
To get killed.
Order an extra AR from anyone.
Keep hitting
He has a
him,
blue-
but then
a blue and a
he
green
just
AR
snipes
right
him
here.
out of nowhere.
I need mats. I need
Blue.
mats.
There's a big base on top of Dusty.
Yeah, no, I need
Where's the
mats.
AR? Where's the AR?
Over here. There's 2 greens.
Hey, anyone want the new shotgun?
Yes.
For tack? Alright,
Yeah, no.
Josh, come over.
Where is it, Josh?
Drop it. It's right over here. Where I am. Oh, the double new shotties, bro. Epic and a legendary.
I prefer pump and gold.
It's
Josh,
right
is there
there.
AR somewhere?
No, he took it.
I'll
Ben
get
took it.
sniped at from top of Dusty.
All right, I don't have anything to
Dusty,
snipe with. I gave it to Ben.
alright.
I don't have any
Josh, do you have
mats.
rockets?
You can't
Oh,
even
do I have rockets? Yeah, I have 2 rockets. I have no mats. No mats at all.
Josh, over here. Come over here, Josh. Come over here, Josh. Josh, over here. Josh, come
One
back.
sec.
Josh, come over
No.
here, Josh. Josh, over here. Come here.
I'm
Josh.
getting mats.
you
Wait.
Sure, coming.
Josh, I will drop you mats. Use this cover. Use this cover. Yeah, stop.
All right, thank you.
Stop, Josh.
I know.
Hey, Andrew, I'm gonna bridge you up.
Okay, Josh. 400.
Oh, thank you, Dad.
Behind you guys. Hey, drop me some rockets. I can RPG these people.
Oh, you have an RPG?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
God, they're just nailing us.
Sniping. Yeah. Oh, dude, I thought that was us. I was like,
Oh, there's only
No, I
13
can't.
players
No.
left. Let's go.
Coming in.
Oh, Nolan, 26! Behind you,
Oh, he
Nolan.
stuck me in the
oh, I
air.
hit one for 47.
There's Rory.
On the downstairs of this
Oh.
thing that you
Dude, so
had.
just sent me. I jumped into the other base and sniped you. That was a good snipe. It was only a semi-auto, bro. Did nothing.
watch your shield though.
You wanna move in a little bit closer?
No.
I'm moving in a tree.
Wait, don't get me dead. Don't get me dead. I have 31 rockets. I can just spray. Or I can just, hey, we can rush into their base and I can rocket them. Okay, the rocket those. Support fire.
Oh, I just got hit. Damn, what a nice shot.
Yeah, he hit me too.
It's only the semi-auto. It didn't kill me.
Yeah.
I don't even see them. I need a sniper. That's what
Yeah,
I
no,
need.
I need. Ben, what happened to that crossbow? Can I get it real quick?
Yeah, go ahead. I didn't even have it.
Oh my God, it's still in the storm.
Snipe, what the fuck kind of snipe is that? I wasn't even. I got sniped through wood.
Yeah, no. You need a med? No, you're pretty good.
Wait, do any of you guys have, what is it called, minis?
I have shields.
Nah, oh yeah, I need shields.
I have 10.
Here, give me two. Thank you.
Yeah, I need two.
Are these RPGs even hidden?
Drop me two too, alright, buddy? Drop me some.
Dude, I'm losing ammo. Anyone have ammo for me at 13?
Yo, drop me minis.
what?
I need minis.
Like, I
Drop me minis.
almost got sniped.
What do you need ammo in then?
Yeah, and I need minis. Drop me minis.
I need.
Oh, they're right down here. Never mind.
Okay, right here. I got you, Ben. Here, take a
These
100.
RPGs, dude. They're a never-ending RPG.
How many?
Yeah,
I'm holding meds. Oh
I
God.
see them jumping around.
Oh, I hit one.
I hit one twice. Oh my God, this bloom is perfect for it.
Oh, I knocked one down.
Oh, you got one, Ben.
Suppressing fire. Dude, we're scaring the crap out of him, I bet. Let's go in. Gang.
Run!
These RPGs
Gang. Bro, I got the double shotty. We gotta get him.
Someone.
I'm coming up with you, Andrew.
You trying to me? Hey, this guy in the blue building. Watch out.
Got him.
All of them?
Alright.
Yeah,
All of them?
all of them are down.
Clutch.
No, I think someone.
Yeah, I thought I just saw one.
10 minis.
One of them just jumped
Yeah, I
off.
killed him.
No, one of them
Yeah, we're
just.
all dead.
Yo, I got 10 minis.
Oh, there's a
Yeah,
bunch of
sniper,
minis. There's a bunch of
finally,
minis.
Jeez.
Yeah, I finally
I
got a
think
sniper.
someone just jumped off over here.
Yeah, someone jumped off over there.
Yeah.
5 people left. There's one more dude.
Oh,
He's
shoot.
under.
Trick
Yeah.
shots
Yeah.
only, guys. Trick shots only.
Yeah,
I
trick
think
shots
I
only.
think it's over here.
Oh yeah, see him.
No,
Where?
get a trick shot, guys. Get a trick shot. Get a trick shot. Trick shots only. Where
Where
is
is
he?
he?
Is he dead? Trick shots only, guys.
Where is he?
I'm going for a
Get
no
trick
scope.
shot. Me too.
Where
I have
is
a hunting
he?
rifle, no scope. Oh, shit.
He's a noob.
I just lost like all my health. I fell off the...
Oh, he threw a nade at me. What a legend.
Where is he?
Where
I'm
is
going for a trap.
he? Is he?
In the house?
Where is he, Josh? Oh, shoot, I'm in the zone.
Down here.
Oh, shoot, I just got it. No! I thought I called it.
I double pumped him. I double thinged him. Let's go. And I recorded it, bro.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.